This is Mr. Miller. Mr. Miller works as a quality manager in an electronics manufacturing services company. He is responsible for the quality of the printed circuit board assemblies. During the production process, the PCBAs are automatically checked by inline optical inspection systems, also called 3D AOI, or inline X-ray systems called AXI. As soon as the inline inspection system detects any defects, these will be classified and the effective PCBAs are sorted out for further processing. Mr. Miller has noticed that the reject rate is very high. He has to determine the root cause. Inline inspection systems such as 3D AOI or AXI cannot always correctly identify if a detected defect is a real or a false failure. In order to decide if the defect is a real failure, the PCBA usually needs an extra inspection with an offline X-ray system. This often takes a great deal of time. How can Mr. Miller optimize his quality inspection? With the Yxlon Smart Factory Solutions ProLoop and ProConnect. With Yxlon ProLoop, we convert the offline X-ray inspection system into an at-line system. It becomes an additional high-resolution sensor, which can compensate for the limitations of inline X-ray or 3D AOI. The solution enables communication between the inline inspection system and the at-line X-ray system. Thus, the system only inspects the selected defects on each board. High false fail rates are now a thing of the past, as Mr. Miller is now able to quickly identify real defects and classify them. The time required for inspection and verification is reduced drastically. And combined with the Yxlon ProConnect function, the at-line X-ray system transfers the verified classification of the defects and images to the manufacturing information system based on standardized protocols. That information is used to analyze each manufacturing line in order to optimize the entire production process. With the Yxlon Smart Factory Solutions ProLoop and ProConnect, Mr. Miller is able to make informed decisions and adjust his process in the right places to achieve maximum yield performance. Do you want to maximize yield performance? Let's optimize production processes with Smart Factory Solutions from Yxlon.